Welcome to the Ghastly Goblin Show. It's a bit wild as you know. Eat a Dole Whip, let's collide. Take a trip on Mr. Jones' Wild Ride. Wild Ride. Wild Ride.
A way to purchase a home in Orlando, Florida. Headed to the Animal Kingdom Lodge tonight, and then trying to figure out how to work a camera that I've never used before. Okay, there we go. All right, everything's packed up. Got 2 small bags here, and then I'm ready. My Uber should be here in about 18 minutes, potentially. And welcome back. Here I am. I've arrived at the Animal Kingdom Lodge Resort, I guess, or maybe it's the Animal Kingdom Resort Lodge. Let's see what we have here. Oh, okay. Do not know how to use light switches. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, nope. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Hey. All right, so there we got a little Lion King, Hakuna Matata. Okay, and there's someone who was probably voiced by an actor who was now canceled for something or other. All right, we got, look at this, Disney resorts, all sorts of things here. We got a pretty nice bathroom, actually. Look at this nice glass walk-in shower. You got all these little Disney resorts sea salt items. Elongated commode. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Someone understands me at the Disney resorts. There's a beautiful carved, well, sort of, this fake carved, kind of painted thing there. Some items, I don't know what they are. Probably can't see in the bin. Out here is our view of something. We have a partial Savannah view. I'm not sure which one it is. So basically a view of nothing. It's very hot outside. It's pretty late here in the evening, but yes, very hot. I have a reservation for Jiko? I don't really know. I probably should have done some research getting ready for this. This is my first time at a Disney resort, actually. They have one of these little Amazon things here. And then you got some various items. Okay. I like it. Little branding on the, some branding on the phone there, which is also nice. I like all these lamps too. It's very hard not to curse about doing this. Oh wait, hold on, do I? Yeah, there we go. Oh, I can use a little joystick. All right, so there we go. We've got a really nice headboard that's got some backlighting there. We've got this cool thing. I'm not sure if, I wonder if are there hidden Mickeys? Not sure. Nice little light switch that labels all of these things here. I don't have any towel animals, I think because I paid for the cheapo room. But I did see a bunch of animals on the way here, real living animals. I'm not going to see anything back here, I don't think. Other than a Ford Ranger truck I think I saw a few minutes ago. Yeah, I'm peering around. I don't know. I mean, I guess maybe the Amazon thing is a hidden Mickey. Maybe there's some in this mural. I don't know. But yeah, I've got a reservation a little while later. Very stressful flight in. Would love to kind of take it easy a little bit if I can. And I'm going to probably check out the gift shop here and see if there are any items. It's very busy down there at the moment, so I'm not sure if I'm looking forward to getting into that. But the first thing I'll do is I'll try to find some ice and I guess, and then maybe some sort of a soda pop from the machine down the hallway. Oh, there's an animal. I don't know. Nobody's ever going to be able to see that. But there is some sort of a gazelle situation happening way far in the distance. I'm not sure if that's perceptible to the human eye. It's certainly barely perceptible to me. But there is I don't even know if that's a gazelle, honestly. Couldn't tell you. I don't think I've ever seen one, much less one frolicking in the wild at a theme park hotel. So, yeah, we have kind of a view of a sort of a Jurassic Park-ish looking facility over here, and then one potential gazelle that may or may not be in a state of frolic at the moment. I don't know if somebody's trying to summon this gazelle or potential gazelle. Maybe I should have read some of the plaques that go through the animals and their whole vibe. Maybe that would have been a great idea. I don't know. But, we got a Keurig here. We got some, look at that. We got some okay. Okay. Hey, not as easy as it seems to do this, huh? So we got some Joffrey's coffees, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, this is the Walt Disney World Resort blend. There. A whole bunch of these creamers that I probably cannot consume. And look at all the sugar. That's a pretty heavy step up from other hotels. And these cups too are like really big. I'm digging it. I'm digging the vibe here. That's what you normally get, is like a cup this size at a hotel, and they're coming with the thunder for the Joffreys, huh? Oh, we got another. Oh, okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, cursed again. I'm gonna have to bleep that. So yeah, there is the room. Here's the room. Okay, I'm here. Animal Kingdom. So that is why this place is so cool. There's a giraffe staring at me right now, making direct eye contact. For some reason. Staring right at me. Okay, we're gonna go.
I guess you could like, or you could comment, or you could subscribe. But I'm not gonna tell you what you should do, 'cause you're an adult, and you've been through it, and you can make your own call. Oh, but I'm just gonna say, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, that would be okay. Thank you, go with nights. Well, I guess you could like, or you could comment, or you could comment, or you could subscribe. But I'm not gonna tell you what you should do, 'cause you're an adult, and you've been through it, and you can make your own call. Oh, but I'm just gonna say, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, that would be okay.